Hi, my name is Abu Zakaria. I'm a software developer by profession. I'm a director of Ecotech Engineering. It's a small startup. We basically build Android, iOS, and web applications. Our customers tells us their problem, and we give them a custom software solution that solves their problem. I would like to thank Seven Sense Communication for giving me the opportunity to share my views. Well, it's true that a lot of people have lost their job during this lockdown. A lot of industries has become bankrupt, especially the tourism and the hotel industry. But if you ask me about the IT industry, I would say there is a growth in the IT industry, because if you say most of our clients are from abroad, not from India. But during this lockdown, we have built 8 applications, Android applications, e-commerce applications, just in 1 month for e-commerce in Guwahati. People like before, people were reluctant about the online things, but now people are like trying their hands on the online e-commerce and all. So there is a growth. What I'm trying to say that if you have been affected because of the COVID-19, so you can try your hands on IT industry. And I'd like to also tell you that this is not mandatory. You have to be MTech, BTech or BCA to be in the IT industry, because an IT industry is not just made of the programmers and the engineers. IT industry need accountant, IT industry need the marketing people, IT industry need people who can write better English, content writer. IT industry needs digital artists like photographers, videographer. IT industry also need people who can convince people, who can do better presentation, have a good personality, good appearance, good communication skill. So everything is, IT industry is made of all people. It's not just made of engineers. For example, if you see the Uber, the Ola, they are not a transportation company, they are a software company. So if you look at Amazon, so they don't sell their own products, they're just a marketplace, and the engineers that develop it for the technical part. But who are maintaining it? The marketing people, the accounts people, they have an entire team. So what I'm trying to say, that if you have not tried your hand on IT industry, if you are a marketing guy, try for some marketing job in the IT company. It may be computer hardware, it may be software. So try your hands on IT industry, because it has a growth. Even during lockdown, things are changing in Assam, in India. People are going for online things. So you have a better future if you are in IT industry, as per my way of thinking. It's not mandatory. I'm 100% correct, but it's my personal thinking that IT industry is going to get better and better in the coming 50 years. Secondly, I would like to tell you that even if the lockdown has been lifted, so I would like to request you maintain some distance from the people whom you don't know, whose travel history you are not aware of. And especially when you have children at home, when you have elderly mother or parents or somebody is there, if you're young enough, you can handle this virus, you won't be affected, but you can become a carrier. So you try to get in touch with the people. I try not to get in touch with the people whom you don't know. So don't be the carrier of this virus, break the chain. Earlier we used to say stay at home, now I'm trying to say stay alert. Just stay alert. We have to do our jobs, we have to maintain our daily routine, we have to work, we have to do, but you stay alert. This is all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Stay safe and stay alert. Goodbye.